So we got this bike. It came to me. A friend dropped it off. He said he didn't want it. He was moving. No pink slip, unfortunately. It does. I believe the guy told me it was a 600 CBR 600 frame with a 1000cc engine in it. If you look right here, it says 929 cm, and that usually means the centimeters of the engine. I gotta figure that out, but it does crank over. We're gonna find out if it has spark right now and see what we get. So it's kind of a little tricky. That's negative. And you see everything's turning on over here at the dash. And just gonna jump it. No spark, but I actually think that's because we're jumping it the wrong way. We need to still have power to this wire, so we need to get a bolt into here and this wire to there and hit it with that wire, that button. Let's see if we could do that. Hit that little bottom button, okay? Down. No. Yep, that one. Alright, well, we might have a starter problem.